Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today, in this lecture, we will be learning the third chapter of your syllabus, that is trigonometric functions. You are well aware about these trigonometric functions from your class 10th, and in fact, in your class 10th, you have gone through trigonometric ratios. You have studied these trigonometric uh, functions there, but not as functions, as ratios. So here we will be treating those trigonometric ratios which were the basic there in class 10th. Now we will study them, we will learn them in light of functions. So before going to the concept of trigonometric functions, we will have once again repolish your memory by giving some basic definitions of the trigonometry. You know it very well that the word trigonometry has been derived from two Greek words, that's trigon and metron, which means measuring of the sides of a triangle. Okay, so this is the uh, root meaning of these words. In trigonometry, you come across different concepts, and the most important concept that you encounter here with, that is angle. So what is angle? Angle is actually the measure, it's actually a measure of rotation of given ray about its initial point. For example, this is a ray and you are rotating this ray about its initial point. This is the initial point, you are rotating it, so we rotate it. You see the rotation here, so you are rotating here the measure of rotation, that's called angle. So angle is actually the measure of rotation, okay, of a given ray about its initial point. The next point that's very important, that's how to measure this angle. So in your syllabus, we have two types of measurements. One is called as degree measure and next is called as radian measure. What is this degree measure? See, if a rotation from the initial side to terminal side is 1 by 360th of a revolution, the angle is said to have a measure of 1 degree, and it's written as 1. At the top, you write this circular sign, it's degree. Moreover, this degree is divided into 60 minutes, and a minute is divided into 60 seconds. And you write minute like this. This is the notation of the minute. And second, you write like this, 1 second represented by 1, and superscripted with 2 these lines. So this is the first type of measurement, the way you measure the angles. Next is a radian measure. First of all, let's define what's radian measure. A radian measure, this is a next type of measurement of angles. Angle subtended at the center by an arc length 1 unit in a unit circle. Okay, unit circle means circle of radius 1 unit. Okay, that's said to have a measure of 1 radian. We understand it like this. For example, you have a circle and circle has a unit radius. It has a unit radius. That means radius is equal to 1. What one it may be? It may be 1 centimeter, 1 meter, whatever. 1 unit is there. And the length of arc, let's take as 1 unit. The angle subtended by this minor arc AB of length 1 unit at the center of the circle, and the radius of the circle having 1 unit measurement, this angle subtended that measures some measurement, and its measurement is denoted by 1 radian. This is the measurement 1 radian. So 1 radian is can be defined like this. You know, one important relation between this angle theta and this radius and arc length, that is theta is equal to L divided by R. Okay, so if L is equal to 1, that's arc length is equal to 1, radius is equal to 1, hence theta will be equal to 1 by 1, that's equal to 1. Okay, so that one is the radian major of the angle. So if you want to know what is the relation between the radian major and the degree major, you may use the relation this one. 2 pi is equal to 360 degree, or from this you can conclude pi radian is equal to 180 degree. From this you can calculate this. 1 radian is equal to 57 degree 16 minutes, it's approximately. Okay, and 1 degree is equal to pi divided by 180, that's equal to 0.01746 radians approximately. So on the important point that we would like to highlight here, that's 1 radian is equal to 180 degree divided by pi. 180 degree divided by pi. This is the conversion of radian into degrees. And 1 degree, that's equal to pi divided by 180 radians. So some basic angles, their degree and radian measures have been related here in the table. You see, this is degree major and this is radian major. And here we have different angles that are often used in the calculations. And here are the radian measures of these corresponding degree measured angles. So this is very important information, the basic for the trigonometry. Hope that you understand this very well. So before going to exercises, you should be well equipped with these definitions. I hope that you have got it. Thank you for joining the class.